I'm back with a motherfucking POV. Oh, nigga. Thank God I ain't go full speed, nigga. What the hell? Damn, this shit got too many bumps. Damn, the AC working now, bro? I got the fucking AC blowing my face down since the fucking pushing the motherfucking car. Bro, I got this new setup on my POV shit. Bro, this shit like, I look like a dickhead, bro. Like, I feel weird when niggas is looking at me. I look like a dickhead, bro. Like, it's different. I don't got it mounted on my fucking forehead now. I got a hat on. And then I got that shit like right on the brim. This shit kind of weird. But I watched a video and it said this is better. I don't know if it's better, bro. I did a little test run with no talking, but fuck it. So tough, bro. I just don't get tired of pushing this bitch. But right now it's literally 8 in the morning. Fucking woke up, I was like, there's no traffic, I'm gonna go drive this bitch. I tried to do another POV, I don't know when, but there was too much traffic, bro. And so I was like, fuck that shit. But look at this road. I've been through this road with the Honda Easy, but now we back at it. I look, you want to take a picture right here. There's like a side where I can pull off. Holy shit! I almost got off the road. Right here. It's right. It's definitely right here, bro. Can I pull off right here? Oh my God, this motherfucker is steep. Damn, look at that motherfucker. That motherfucker is so sick. I put the new headlights in. Them LEDs now. I don't know if y'all seen it without. I don't know if I showed you. I don't think I showed you there. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna put a picture up. So y'all can see how this shit looks way better now. So you see where I'm at? I'm in the middle of fucking nowhere. I'm about to get fucking. P. Diddy about to come out the woods and about to fuck. Oh shit. Oh well, y'all saw him. I'll go fuck, bro. If I edit it out, I edit it out. Y'all see this motherfucker? This motherfucker so tough. Woo! Fucking so tough. And look, let me show you how I got the fucking GoPro set up. I got it like this, bro. Yeah. I got it like fucking this, bro. So it's like, so I look like a dickhead. But let me see, let me try a transition. Faced ass. Yo, what the fuck did I do? Nigga, am I corny? Yo, what the fuck did I do? Yo, I should low-key do a burnout, but y'all can't see the burnout if I do the burnout in my fucking car, right? Damn. I want to do one. I did one already. I'll show y'all. Oh, I could do one, but there's no one to record me, bro. Look, we get out of here, bro. Let me do it up this hill, cause I think it's about to end right here. Yeah, it ends right here. Let me do this shit right here. No one behind me? Oh, fucking traction control is on. I'm an idiot. Holy shit, what the fuck? Yo, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Oh my god. I'm a fucking idiot. This nigga looking at me. I know this nigga looking at me, bro. Fuck that, bro. What you looking at, pussy? Yo, but let me tell you about this whip, bro. This whip, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, bro. This whip get you the hose. Nah, I'm playing. Oh shit, let me turn. What's it called? A little story time, bro. God damn, alright, bro. I'm gonna do a U-turn, bro. Did a burnout and traction control on it. But let me tell y'all, bro. You know what I'm saying? I had, so I'm saying I was on my way to get a haircut. You know what I'm saying? I got my haircut and shit, bro. I don't know why I just started sweating blitz while getting my haircut, but that's not part of the story. And what's it called? You know what I'm saying? I get on my car. I'm driving home, shit. You know what I'm saying? Top shit and shit. Red light, right? There's traffic. The red light. I'm chilling right there with the windows down. You know what I'm saying? Blasting music. My badass whip. You know what I'm saying? It was a god. There's like a sedan parked next to me, right? Not parked, fucking just sitting in traffic with me, like next to me on my left. And what's it called? And in the back seat, there's a bitch. I mean, oh shit, a lady. Oh, I don't know. She looked kind of old, not old. She looked like 25. There's people is old, bro. I'm 19, by the way. Yo, I'm not. Whoa. P Diddy didn't do nothing to me, but that don't gotta do nothing with P Diddy. This gotta do with my story, all right? So you know what I'm saying, I'm chilling in traffic and yo, bro, what the fuck, what was I saying? Right there, like this, that like sedan park, and I was a little pulled off, like, you know what I'm saying, I was like a little pulled off, and you know what I'm saying, there's a bitch too, and she wanna fuck. It and what's it called? And I wasn't looking because it's behind me. I wasn't looking. Over here blasting music. I'm on my phone trying to change the music and shit. And at the corner of my eye, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? At the corner of your eye, I see like somebody waving their hand. I'm like, what the fuck? I turn. And I'm like, what the fuck? And then she said something, but I had my music blasting. And I turned it down, like, what? And she's like, where you going? I said, I'm going to fuck you. Nah, I'm playing. I said, I'm going home. And she's like, can I come with? And I was like, yeah. And so she got out the car because she was in the back seats. You know what I'm saying? She got out the car and it turned green. Nigga, I took off. And she was in the fucking middle of the street like a fucking GTA stripper. GTA, you know what I'm saying? Nah, but everything happened except she didn't get off though. She actually did say where I'm going. I said I'm home. And then she said, can I come? But I was like, bro, shut the fuck up. You're not even that good, bro. Like, if she was a bad bitch, I would have been like, get the fuck in. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Let's go fuck. But, you know what I'm saying? But that was it, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Alright. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro. That should be the end of the Oh, 12. Yeah. And I was about to push this motherfucker for the end of the POV. Fuck. Fucking fuck you. Damn, I can't really push this hoe because I had to do a U-turn. Fuck, this cop gonna look at me, bro. Damn, bro, this fucking cop is a bitch. Why is he there? Alright, bro, that was the end of the POV. There was just a little test. Oh shit. A little test run. Bro, what the fuck is this? Nigga, what the fuck? Them fucking cops is looking at me, bro. Fuck these dumbass cops. Yo, what the fuck? What is that at school? Get to work, bitch. He on his phone. Alright, bro, that was the end of the POV, but let me tell y'all something before I end, bro. Just